Displaying true color 2D RGB textures in a 3D plot. I'm trying to make a 3D plot that consists of a series of 2D planes through an RGB stack, like this. I know that it's possible to do this using mpl_toolkits.plot3d by passing the x, y, z coordinates and the RGB, A, colors of each pixel to plot_surface. Unfortunately, this becomes extremely slow if I set for stride equals 1 in order to display the textures at full resolution. I'm also aware that mayavi can easily handle displaying multiple 2D textures at full resolution. However, the problem now is that there does not seem to be any way of displaying true color RGB textures using mayavi. According to the docs, I can only specify either a single RGB tuple or a predefined color map. Does anyone know of a better way to display true color 2D RGB textures in a 3D plot? Given enough time, I could probably figure out how to do this in VTK or even pure OpenGL if necessary, but I'm really hoping that there are existing libraries that will do the job.
Big thanks to Dvoks for providing working solutions using mayavi/VTK. It's useful info that I may need for doing more complicated things in the future. In the end, I actually chose to go with Kolk's suggestion of using Visvis, which turned out to be a lot simpler to implement.
I don't know about other libraries. Bullshow looks neat, but I haven't tested it, but you can do this in VTK. I've been working on doing this generally in mayavi, see how to directly set RGB/RGB colors in mayavi, but for certain image sources mayavi structures the VTK pipeline in a way that was not designed to deal with this at all. My efforts to convert a 2D VTK.image data to true color starting with mlab.imshow were met with resistance at every step, but I managed it. First, here's how I have managed to do it in mayavi using lab. This is far too hacky and magic reliant even for my standards. But in pure TVTK it's not nearly so bad. Of course, doing it in VTK is more work. You might even be able to wrap this nicely so that it's pretty reasonable. I want to fix mayavi to handle this properly, but as you can see from my snippet, it is not straightforward and could take a while.